Okay. Um, this is my code for the weather app, and so first I imported requests because like you need to request the website for like the data and stuff, and then I did from datetime import datetime and time delta so I could import the date and time when the output shows the date and the time of when you inserted the city. Um, and then I put in the API key, and then the URL I used to extract the data with the API key to authenticate the API. And then I did a function that called fetch underscore weather, and then the parameter is city name. It's called city name. Basically, this like fetches some of the information, and it also like because over here in the output, I talk about the temperature and it's Celsius, and since it's in a like website and stuff, it helps to show like how to get like the city name and then the units and then the API key. And then next in the function, I did try, and then I did these three lines of codes, and basically these three lines of codes is to help check for any errors in case like a bad response comes back when you like put in the city name. So like response equals request plus get space underscore URL params equals params, and then response plus raise for status to raise an error for bad responses and stuff. And then like for this, it's also like uh it's the next code after the try block. And basically like if you don't get 200, that means like 200 is like if you don't get 200, that means there's an error because 200 is like what you're supposed to get and stuff. So if data.get doesn't equal 200, then you have to print city isn't found because like it ran into an error or something, and then you just print city is found and you don't return anything. Um, and then in the try and if, I mean in the try block, if there's no errors and stuff, then you can extract the required data from the website and stuff. And since like in my output, I give the city, the temperature, the weather description, the humidity, and the date, I have to put it in my code somewhere to get that. So I have like city equals data name to get the name of the city, and then temperature equals data main temperature. So to get like the general temperature of the city, and then weather description equals data weather description. So the zero is to get like the first weather description, and then the humidity is to get the humidity of that area. And then this is like these are the codes to get like the exact date and time. The time zone underscore offset equals data time zone. So to offset in seconds. And UTC underscore time equals daytime dot UTC now. So to get the date and time from the website, and then local time equals UTC plus time delta, seconds equals time zone offset. So to get like the exact seconds as well. Then this is kind of the format. So year, month, date, and then hour, minutes, and seconds. Then next, like you return this so it can be shown as the output. So this is like a dictionary, I think. Oh, yeah, a dictionary. And then it returns the city, the temperature, the weather description, the humidity, and date. And it does this except for when there's like errors, except for when the data wasn't able to be gotten and stuff. So it just returns nothing. And this is like the main code to ask like the user for like the input of the city name. So it's another function, non-parametric function So it's like it prints at the start when you run the code, it prints welcome to the weather app. And this is kind of a loop. So it's like while true, city name equals input, enter city name or exit to quit. And then plus strip, so like removes any extra spaces and stuff. And then so in this code, it basically just asks the user to input a city name so we can check the statistics and stuff. And then if city name dot lower, which is just like if it's uppercase or lower, just change it to lower. And then if it equals exit, then you just write goodbye and then you just stop the code. And then this is again the fetch weather function over here. And then this code just prints like the weather details like line by line instead of all in one line and stuff. And then also like a dictionary over here. And then this just runs the main code. That's it. And I can run a test for it. So I could do Oakville since that's where I'm living right now. This says welcome to the weather app. And then I type in Oakville. And then it says the weather details. So the city, which is Oakville, and the temperature, which is 3.63. And right now the temperature is 3 degrees. Then weather description, a few clouds, humidity is 73. And it just like rained a bit. So that's right. And then the time I uh wrote Oakville and stuff. And then it's like the code is still going, so I can write exit to quit or write another city to keep on going. So I can write like Lagos and it shows the city, which is Lagos, and then the temperature, which is 24 degrees, and then weather description, which is scattered clouds, and then humidity, which is 90%, and then the day I wrote that, and then I can just press the exit to stop like the loop, and then it just says goodbye. That's it.
If this is not beautiful, then there is nothing nothing more than beautiful than this. This is good. This is good. And I am really impressed with that time. You changed that time, and I saw Lagos, where Nigeria that we are right now, it is 1:21 and it is 1:21 a.m. on the 27th of November. Tomi, you are getting to become a superstar. You may not know it, but you are becoming one. I don't know if you
Thank,
feel it sometimes, but this thing that you are doing wonderful things. This is good. Even when the time displayed for your city, when you I think when you added Oakville at some point, it showed the
yeah,
time is still 26th of November and it is 7 to, as at that time. This is good.
yeah,
This is really good.
thank you.
Wow, wow. Okay, when you were creating this, were you feeling for yourself? Like, how did you feel when you were doing this? Did you feel it was possible at some point? What were they said?
Uh, I mean, like, cause a bunch of the codes that I did, like most of them, like I knew, but like I didn't know how to like
Okay.
write the code, and then some of them I had to like search up, like I
Yeah,
didn't know
good.
what
That
like an
is,
API
yeah,
key and stuff is,
yeah,
so
this is really good. Well done. Thank you very much for that lovely presentation. You took your time.
no problem.
You made it look so simple, but it was not simple, I know. And it is
Yeah.
good. Yeah, it is good. You should be proud of yourself. Well done. I'm also proud
Thank you.
we have also come a long way on this journey. Well done. Thank you. Thank you.
No
Bye.
problem.
Okay, so you can
Bye.
just stay. Yeah. So